Hello, I'm going to go over how to make a grid in your homework discussion posts. So like the example that we see here, it's a grid with two squares that I have embedded my photos and attached some text. So before I go through the process of using the rich content editor, I'm going to show you where I keep all my photos. So you would need to have uploaded the way that I'm going to show you how I do it. You would have need to had to uploaded your photos. And so here's all the photos that I'm using for this demonstration under the module of color in photography. So before you can navigate placing your photos, you would have had to already have put them into your files, and however you want to manage your file system is fine. It will know that they're images. So now if we go back to our module, where we're going to be building a small grid, like always you would hit reply, and that's going to take you to this rich content editor where you would be responding to the prompts and uploading your images. So if you want a grid, you basically would go under insert like you normally would when you put in links or images, but now you're going to add a table. And I'm just going to make a simple 2-square table. Once it's there, then I want to embed my photos. So then I go to insert, and now I'm going to embed an image, the same that you would have embedded images before. Go to course images, and it's going to open up pretty much the most recent images that I have been uploading, right? So I can just simply upload my image and then click over on the other square and grab my second image. And so now my 2 images are embedded into the homework. I can close this down, give myself a little bit more space. So now I want to add the information that was requested. I need to give a title to my work, and you can just type in whatever your title is. And again, when you talk about the size, I want you guys to pretend like I want this to be huge. So I'm going to make it 30 inches by 40 inches, and so forth and so on. So then you would just type in whatever request I gave you. And then, you can, if you want to make it bullet point, you can do that. That's your choice. You don't have to. Um, however you want to work with, the different options in Rich Content Editor. And of course, I've made a little bit of a mess here, but I think you get the point, and you can go in and edit this situation as much as you want. You can delete things. I can get rid of that bullet point, and it just enables you to potentially organize your photos a little bit better. You can make them a little bit smaller so there's some white space in between. You can justify this one so it's in the middle, so it kind of enables you to have a little bit more, and this one as well if you choose. So it just gives you a lot of control on how you want to present your photos if you choose to use a grid and embed your images into it. And then you would hit post reply, and then your post is going to start to be a little bit more potentially organized. So it's something to consider. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email via Canvas and I'll help you out. Thanks for listening.